guys. So excited to be here. Another beautiful Friday. I'm not trying to make anyone jealous, but I am currently sitting and my view is a lake. So maybe that will bring all of you some peace and calm going into your weekend. I know it's helping me. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for headlines. So, first thing for everybody is Ryonet opens doors for open house in August. Ryonet invites the industry to its annual open house, set to take place August 12th through 14th at the Vancouver, Washington location. Day one will be a future of printing panel discussion. Day two will be its rummage sale, live printing, barbecue, and music event. Both of those days are free to attend. And then day three will be a screen print experience specialty class that does cost $99 to attend. Seats are limited for that day three event to ensure everyone gets plenty of individual attention and press time. So make sure to visit that news head link and book your spot. Attendees for the entire open house, whether you will attend day three or not, are encouraged to RSVP for the open event as well. So make sure, again, visit the news headline. Second headline I have for everybody today, Atlantis Headwear recognized among Italy's fastest growing companies. Atlantis Headwear has earned a place among Italy's 500 leaders of growth in 2026, a ranking by IL Sol 24 or and Statista, recognizing the country's fastest growing companies based on revenue growth from 2021 to 2024. Now, according to a press release from Atlantis, the recognition comes as it continues to redefine what sustainable headwear can be. More than 15,000 companies across Italy were evaluated for the 2026 ranking, with only 500 selected based on verified financial performance and compound annual growth rate. So big congratulations to them. And finally, you guys, we have your third headline. Women in Print Alliance announces programming for Printing United Expo 2026. So of course, if we're going to be gearing up for Expo, might as well talk about some of the highlights for the upcoming event. Women in Print Alliance is a division of Printing United Alliance. It announces its lineup of networking, professional development, and community building experiences for the Expo, which takes place September 23rd through 25th at the Las Vegas Convention Center. This year's programming for Women in Print Alliance includes a discussion titled Expo 101, Tips and Tricks for Women in Print. They also have their member welcome reception, an annual networking luncheon, and the Women in Print Alliance booth. So in addition to meeting the Expo All-Stars, you can also participate in any of the Women in Print Alliance events and lots of other good things happening at Expo. So that's everything I have for you guys this week. Back to you, Erin and Terry.